Leaks are swirling about the new Sony ZV-E10 too, and it sounds like a serious upgrade. We're talking powerful specs, possibly 4K 120p, and crazy good autofocus. Thinking of diving into interchangeable lens cameras for vlogging? This could be a game changer. Let's break down the rumors and see if it lives up to the hype. The Sony ZV-E10 Mark II has been the talk of the town lately, with rumors circulating about its impending arrival. According to the leaks from Sony Alpha Rumors, this compact powerhouse is set to redefine videography, and we can't help but feel a surge of excitement. Right off the bat, let's address the rumored 26MP Exmor-R APS-C BSI CMOS sensor. If the leaks are true, this could be a game changer, promising exceptional image quality and low light performance. Coupled with the Bionz XR image processor, we can expect fast autofocus and stunning detail preservation. But that's not all. The ZV-E10 Mark II is rumored to pack a dedicated AI chip, ushering in a new era of intelligent auto-framing and advanced autofocus modes. Imagine having your camera anticipate your every move, seamlessly tracking subjects and ensuring they're always in focus. It's like having a virtual assistant dedicated to capturing those fleeting moments with precision. Now, let's talk about the video capabilities that have everyone buzzing. According to the leaks, the ZV-E10 Mark II will support uncropped 4K 60p recording, and if you're feeling adventurous, you can even push it to a mind-blowing 4K 120p. But wait, there's more. The camera is rumored to offer 10-bit 4:2 sampling, ensuring that your footage retains its vibrant hues and smooth gradations. You'll be thrilled to know that the latest leaks suggest the upcoming camera will feature a blazing fast 11 frames per second shooting speed. Plus, with real-time tracking autofocus for both stills and video, you can say goodbye to those moments of frustration when you miss the perfect shot because of imperfect focus. And let's not forget the rumored 759-point phase detection autofocus system with an impressive 93% coverage, a feature that promises to keep your subjects tack sharp, no matter where they roam within the frame. It's also rumored to boast an array of professional-grade video features, including S-Log3, S-Gamut3, S-Cinetone, and even user LUTs. Imagine the creative possibilities that await, with the ability to fine-tune your footage to perfection. As for everything else, we found some lackings it has based on leaks, which is EVF. Yes, it lacks an EVF. While some may be disappointed by this, Sony made a deliberate choice to keep the camera compact like the original ZV-E10, which was one of its main selling points. This camera is intended for vlogging and travel, where being portable is essential. For design, some sources pointed to the same body design as its predecessor, complete with a 3-inch 1.03 meter vari-angle LCD touchscreen for effortless framing and control. And let's not forget the internal microphone and inputs, as well as USB streaming capabilities, features that will undoubtedly delight content creators. Now, you might be curious to know what upgrades the ZV-E10 Mark II of May bring from its predecessor. Well, the original ZV-E10 was a solid performer, but it lacked some of the advanced features that its competitors boasted. The rumored upgrades in the Mark II model aim to close that gap, offering videographers and photographers a more well-rounded package. Of course, it's important to remember that these are merely leaks and rumors at this point. We'll have to wait for Sony's official announcement to know the full truth. But if these leaks are true, the ZV-E10 Mark II could very well be the compact powerhouse that many have been waiting for. Whether you're a professional videographer, a travel vlogger, or simply someone who appreciates cutting-edge technology, this camera is shaping up to be an exciting addition to Sony's lineup. So, there you have it, folks, a tantalizing glimpse into the world of the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. Do let us know what you think about this, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.